Hey guys, today we are going to talk about direct and regular mutual funds. So, what is the difference between these two type of mutual funds? Be it any type of mutual fund, like Access Blue Chip or Mirai mutual fund or any other mutual fund, there would be two options for it. Either you can invest through direct uh, way or through a regular way. So direct mutual fund is basically where you directly invest through the AMC and there is no middleman in between to take the commission for your investment. Whereas the regular mutual fund, there will be a middleman or a distributor which will give you the mutual fund, and every year, as per your wealth AUM, he will get a commission based on that. This commission majorly ranges from 0.5% to 1.5%. And as per my understanding and as per my experience, direct mutual fund is the way to go. Now, many of you will say, okay, but the distributor helps us to select the mutual fund. And let me take a practical example. So, suppose nowadays we go to retail kirana shops and uh, we try to buy a pulse candy, but we get so many different candies rather than the pulse candy that's plus or something else. Though the cost price for both of them is 1 rupees, then why the kirana guy is selling us the plus or some other candies rather than the pulse candy? The simple fact is the other candies cost him less as compared to the pulse candies. The pulse candy can cost him around zero point 0.8 zero point 0.8 rupees, but the other candies cost him around zero point 0.5 zero point 0.5 rupees. So he will definitely go for that. So in the same way, the distributor who is helping you to select the mutual fund will have a bias towards the mutual fund which are giving the most commission to him. So there would be a inbuilt bias. So first and foremost, they will choose the fund house which is giving the most commission, and from that they will try to make your portfolio. But that is not the best case scenario for an investor per se. Now you will say, okay, but how much that 1% or 1.5% affects us in the monetary value? So let's take a simple example. I am on the FinSense website, which has a calculator here that differentiate between the direct and regular mutual fund. If you invest or SIP somewhere like that, you can go to this link and understand how much it affects. I'll take an example. So suppose our monthly investment is 25,000 rupees and our horizon is 35 years. At the 12% rate, I'll select some mutual fund here, suppose HDFC retirement saving funds only. So you can see here that if our fund increased by 12%, IRR is 12% for 35 years, 25,000 is your monthly investment. Your regular mutual fund will give you 10 crore approximately, and your direct mutual fund will give you 13 crores. So basically, 3 crores of difference is there in the investment itself. And this 3 crores will impact you. It's like 36% extra from your corpus. So that's a huge difference. That makes a huge difference to your AUM and your retirement savings. So you should always go for a direct mutual fund. Now, okay, that looks good. But if we are not going through the distributor route, and I have no knowledge about finance, how will I come to know which mutual funds are best? So you can do two, three things. You can either go to ET Money. It has a good options. It ranks the mutual funds, and you can save from there depending on the option. So if you know you want to invest in blue chip fund or small cap fund, you can go to ET Money and save there. Apart from that, you can go to the not distributor, but to direct to the advisors. So advisors are registered under SEBI, and they do not take a distribution fees in between, and so the bias is not there, but they take a specific AUM fees each year. So suppose your AUM is 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees, they will charge you 1% or 0.5% based on your contract, and they will invest as per their need. Now the good thing about this is there would be no bias. He will work in your favor, and each and every year he has to generate you AM so you can continue your contract with him. uh, profits needs to be there, and the bias is not present. So you can go through that route if you are not interested in finance and you just want someone to to handle your portfolio. So that's it from today's video. Uh, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.